Welcome to the ECOS ATC demonstration video. The ECOS ATC is an automatic tank cleaning unit designed to clean mud tanks on and offshore. It uses a fixed volume of cleaning water to feed through up to 4 tank cleaning machines or TCMs within the mud tank. Simultaneously, the unit returns dirty water called slop from the mud tank, recycles the cleaning water and then captures all the waste for safe disposal. Made of 316 stainless steel, the ECOS ATC is conveniently installed in a custom-built offshore container and includes a separator, control panel, TCM pump, slop pump, screw conveyor and sediment pump. Also included is a chemical holding tank and a chemical dosing system as well as an oil trap. For our operational demonstration of the ECOS ATC, we have connected 2 small tanks and will use weight-specific pellets, red for oil and black for mud, to emulate oily mud sediment. To begin, we add our oily mud sediment to the dirty mud tank. A powerful jet from the TCM will mix it with the water to create a mixture called slop. The slop pump generates up to 90% vacuum and is continually extracting slop from the dirty tank, not allowing any slop to accumulate inside the mud tank. If additional support is needed, an external slop pump can be added to work in tandem with the ECOS ATC's internal slop pump. As the slop enters the first compartment of the separator, the flow velocity is decreased, allowing the heavy particles to sink down to the sludge compartment and the lighter particles to float up into the oil trap. The sediment will continue sliding down into the screw conveyor, while the solid lean water is forced to go through the lamella plates inside the separator. Once some sediment has accumulated in the sludge compartment, the screw conveyor is turned on. With low RPM, the conveyor carefully drives the sludge to the sediment pump suction. At the same time, the screw is blending in some water into the sediment, making it a pumpable slurry the sediment pump can handle. The sediment pump is started to transfer sediment to the waste skip. The sediment and water slurry enters the waste skip through a diffuser before it separates into a layer of sediment and a layer of water. The water layer is routinely pumped back into the ECOS ATC by the suction pump, leaving only the mud sediment back in the waste skip. The suction pump has a dual purpose. In addition to recovering excess water from the waste skip, it is also used to suck up spill collected in the drip pan running under the entire ECOS ATC unit. All the cleaning water we started out with is recycled and no waste is generated, except for the mud residues existing in the mud tank prior to cleaning operation. After the cleaning water has passed through and been polished off by the lamella plates, it will overflow into the clean water compartment. From here it is picked up by the TCM pump and sent back to the TCMs, and the cycle is closed. It is important to recognize that slop is processed and cleaning water recovered at the same rate as it is being used in the cleaning process. It is what we will call an on-the-fly water recycling process. Finally, at the end of the job, or more often if needed, oil is drained from the oil trap inside the ECOS ATC. Oil is normally dumped into the waste container right before it is shipped off for disposal. Thank you for watching, and please contact us if you want to learn more about the ECOS ATC.